Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some irregular verbs in Spanish in simple present. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. So our verbs are tener means to have, hacer means to do, to make, poner means to put or to turn on. So these verbs are conjugated in simple present and they are irregulars only in the first subject pronoun, yo or I. As you know, those verbs which end in er, for conjugation we need to delete er, at the end of the verb, and we have to add o, es, hemos, eis, en at the end of the verb. So the first subject pronoun is irregular, so we need e, ge or g here in the first subject pronoun, yo. Yo tengo means I have. Tú tienes, you have, you singular. Él tiene, he has. Ella tiene, she has. Usted tiene, you have is the formal form of tú. Nosotros tenemos, we have, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Nosotras tenemos, we have, we only feminine. Vosotros tenéis, you have, plural form, you masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Vosotras tenéis, you have, you only feminine. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. Ellos tienen, they have, they masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas tienen, they have, they only feminine. Ustedes tienen, you have, plural form, and is the formal form of vosotros, vosotras. So, yo tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, usted tiene, nosotros, nosotras tenemos, vosotros, vosotras tenéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen, tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Next verb, hacer means to do or to make. Yo hago, I do, I make. Tú haces, you do, you make, singular form. Él hace, he does, he makes. Ella hace, she does, she makes. Usted hace, you make or you do, is the formal form of tú. Nosotros, nosotras hacemos, we do or we make. Vosotros, vosotras hacéis, you do or you make, plural form. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hacen. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hacen, ellos. It can be masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas hacen, they do or they make. They only feminine. Ustedes hacen, you do or you make is the formal form of vosotros, vosotras. So, hago, haces, hace. Hacemos, hacéis, hacen. Next verb, poner means to put or to turn on. Yo pongo, I put, I turn on. Tú pones, you put, you turn on is singular. Él pone, he puts, he turns on. Ella pone, she puts, she turns on. Usted pone, you put, you turn on is the formal form of tú and is singular. Nosotros, nosotras ponemos, we put, we turn on. Vosotros, vosotras ponéis, you put, you turn on is plural. Ellos, ellas, ustedes ponen, ellos, ellas means they put or they turn on. Ustedes ponen, you turn on or you put is the formal form of vosotros, vosotras. So let's make some examples. With the verb tener means to have. Yo tengo una casa. Yo means I, tengo, have, una, one. Casa means house. I have a house. Yo tengo una casa. Tú tienes un coche. You have a car. Tú means you. Tienes, have. Un, one. Coche means car. You have a car. Tú tienes un coche. Él or ella or usted tiene 22 años. If I want to translate this sentence into English, I should say he has 22 years old, but in English we don't use the verb have for saying age. So, but in Spanish we use the verb have. Él tiene 22 años. But in English we say he is 22 years old, or ella tiene 22 años. She is 22 years old. Usted tiene 22 años. You are 22 years old. You, singular is the formal form of tú. Whenever we want to be very formal, instead of saying tú, we say usted. Nosotros or nosotras tenemos un padre amable. Nosotros means we, tenemos have, un padre, padre means father, amable means kind. So, it means we have a kind father. So, in English we use adjectives before nouns, but in Spanish is vice versa. We use adjectives after nouns. So, padre means father, amable means kind. Un padre amable, but in English we say a kind father. Vosotros or vosotras tenéis una familia grande. Vosotros means you, plural. Tenéis have una, one. Familia, family. Grande means big. So I use adjective after the noun. You have a big family. In English we use adjectives before nouns, but in Spanish is vice versa. We have to use adjectives after nouns. So, you have a big family. Ellos or ellas or ustedes tienen mucho dinero. Ellos or ellas means they. Tienen have. Mucho means a lot of. Dinero means money. So we use mucho means a lot or a lot of before nouns. Dinero means money. So we use mucho before dinero. Dinero means money. They have a lot of money. Or ustedes is the formal form of vosotros. Vosotras means you is plural. You have a lot of money. Ustedes tienen mucho dinero. You have a lot of money. So let's make some examples with the verb poner. Yo pongo la lavadora. I turn on the washing machine. So poner means to put or to turn on. So here means turn on. Lavadora means washing machine. I turn on the washing machine. Yo pongo la lavadora. Next, tú pones el libro en la mesa. Tú pones el libro en la mesa. You put the book on the table. So, libro means book. El is the article, means the book. En means on. Mesa means table. So, la is the article, means the table. So, tú pones el libro en la mesa. You put the book on the table. Next example. Él or ella or usted pone la radio. He or she turns on the radio. Radio means radio. Or usted pone la radio. Usted means you, is the formal form of two, singular. So, you turn on the radio. Usted pone la radio. Next example. Nosotros or nosotras ponemos la mesa. We set the table. So, poner la mesa means set the table. We set the table. Mesa means table. Vosotros, vosotras ponéis el boli en el estuche. Estuche means pencil case or pencil box. Boli means bolígrafo, means pen. So, you put the pen in the pencil box or in the pencil case. So, estuche means pencil box or pencil case. En here means in. Next example. Ellos, ellas, ustedes ponen los platos sucios en el fregadero. Ellos, ellas means they. Ponen, put. Los platos sucios. Sucios means dirty. Los platos means the dishes. Platos, dishes. En means in. El fregadero means the sink. They put the dirty dishes in the sink. So, platos, we use, as I told you, we use adjectives after nouns. So, los platos, es sustantivo, is a noun. So, sucios means dirty. So, we have to use it after the noun. After los platos. They put the dirty dishes in the sink. Fregadero means sink. So, let's make some examples with the verb hacer means to do or to make. So, yo hago la cama. I make the bed. So, hacer la cama means make the bed. Cama means bed. Yo hago la cama. I make the bed. Tú haces la maleta. Hacer la maleta means to pack the suitcase. Tú means you, singular. Haces, pack. La maleta, the suitcase. Él or ella or usted hace comida. Hacer comida means to make food. Él hace comida, he makes food. Comida means food. Ella hace comida, she makes food. Usted hace comida is the formal form of to. You make food. Nosotros or nosotras hacemos ejercicios. We do exercise. So, do exercise in Spanish is hacer ejercicios. Nosotros hacemos ejercicios. We do exercise. Vosotros or vosotras hacéis ruido. Hacer ruido means to make noise. You make noise. Ruido means noise. So, you plural. Ellos or ellas or ustedes hacen los deberes. Ellos, ellas means they. Hacen, do. Los deberes means homework. They do homework. Ustedes is the formal form of vosotros, vosotras. Ustedes hacen los deberes. You do homework. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a nice time and hasta luego.